Hi, this is Jimmy Sabio and welcome to my short video tutorials about Python. This time we will discuss the string concatenation. So what is string concatenation? String concatenation is joining two or more strings together to form a single string. In Python, you can use the plus sign operator or open close parentheses to concatenate strings. Here's the program that shows string concatenation example. So first, let's declare string variables. Hash declare string variables. First, underscore name equals Austin and double quote last underscore name equals open double quote Malay double quote and hash concatenation using the plus operator. Full underscore name is equals first name underscore name plus double quotation plus last underscore name. And let's put hash another example. Greeting hash display the result print open parenthesis full name double quote full name. The F and the N must be big letter colon double quote comma and full underscore name close parenthesis. Another example hash another example greeting equals hello double quotation and message equals greeting plus double quote comma double quote plus full name underscore name plus double quote this one. Welcome to Python programming. Period and double quote. Print message and open and close parentheses. Now let's run this code. Wait, that shows string concatenation. Wala pala hash. Whole name Austin Umalay. Hello, Austin Umalay. Welcome to Python programming.